really ticked off right now. Wanna know why I'm really ticked off? Do you? Because the other day I heard about the cicadas. Cicadas, whatever you name them. Do you know what those are? They are these little bugs. Do you see them? Do you? They are, first of all, disgusting. They are these bugs that apparently come out of the ground every 17 years. They can't do that. Who said they could do that? I didn't give them permission. They can't just come out of the ground like that and come to our nation. That's really rude of them. They didn't even ask. Also, they think that they can shed their skins. Only snakes can do that. Only snakes, not these stupid bugs. Look at their red eyes. They're like the color on my lipstick. You see them? You see? It makes me really angry because there's gonna be billions of them coming up out of the ground in a few weeks. What's gonna happen when there's prom and there are bug shells all over the ground? It's more than disgusting. They need to go. And I don't know who's gonna do it, but somebody needs to get rid of them. Because what if they come and try to kill me? I don't want bugs to come in and eat my hair or eat my house. What's gonna happen then? Where am I going to live? All because of the stupid cicadas. They're making me really upset because there's gonna be so many of them. And no one else is getting upset about this. But you are all going to be really, really sorry when I tried to warn you about the cicadas. And they are going to come. Did you know that they're blind? They're blind. They cannot see. They walk around like this. Oh, I'm a cicada. I am fat and cannot fly. That is what they do. So, just beware that they're coming. Try to save yourself from them. Make sure you don't leave the house without your umbrella because they could fall in your hair. And apparently I also heard that if you try to kill one, they all come after you. So, also really bad. So don't do that. And that's about it. Just want to spread awareness about the cicadas that are coming. So, I guess that's it. And I will talk to you all later. Bye. Do you hear that? Do you hear it? I heard a cicada. It's starting. It's starting already. Oh no. Mom!